Hey guys, EarnPal here, and we're back with another daily online money making method. We really appreciate the support we've been getting since we started this channel. If you want to stick around for upcoming content because we post daily, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And at the end of this video, if the video was helpful to you, please consider leaving a like or commenting as well, because this helps us a lot with the YouTube algorithm. It will make us grow more and more as a channel and keep posting daily updates on money making methods. Now let's carry on with the video. Today we're going to be using URL shorteners, specifically AdFly. That is going to help us start earning money. If you have a website, an Instagram page, a YouTube channel, or basically anything you can use to drive traffic to your shortened URLs, then stay tuned because this video is absolutely helpful for you. If we take YouTube videos for example, monetization can make you lots of money. We all know that. But why not use those same views to earn even more money from different sources without really putting in any extra efforts? Usually when people post content, they always put links in the description, bio, or whatever medium you're using to reach your viewers or fan base. We're going to be replacing those links with shortened ones. The outcome for the user is the same when they click on the link, but for you, you'll be getting revenue from each click, that is. Many creators are using this, and that lets them maximize their earnings every month, because who doesn't want an extra source of online revenue, especially a free one that doesn't require any efforts whatsoever. In this video, I will show you how to start from the beginning. We're going to be creating an account together, an AdFly account, looking at the user interface, and then we will be changing all the video description links to shortened ones in our channel EarnPal. So we gotta head to the website AdFly, which is adf.ly, and once we go there, we're gonna be greeted by this page. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create an account if you don't have one already. So we're gonna click on join now. We have two ways for creating an account. Either we can fill in this form or we can just sign in with Google, whatever is easier for you. In my case, I'm just gonna click on sign in with Google and wait for it until it does its job. Once it's done, your account should be created. For example, mine is named Shug, and this is the user interface. March 2021 is selected, and these are the total earnings during that month, which is 0 because we have just created this account. If we scroll down just a little bit, we can see the monthly earnings, the push ads earnings, the top countries, top refers, pop-up ads. These are basically just the analytics for this account and to keep track on how your links are doing and everything. If we keep scrolling down, this is the part where it shows how many links you have and how the links are doing. Are they doing good or not? And which earnings are coming from which link. So what we want to do is we're going to leave this as it is, and we're going to head to our channel and try this out. So this is our channel, EarnPal. If we click on content, we're going to choose one of the videos. I'm just going to choose the latest one we uploaded yesterday, which is this one. And if you look at the description, we had just normal YouTube links pointing at our previous videos. So what we want to do is we want to take link by link. So for example, I'm going to take this one, miss the H there, shrink it, copy that, and then just replace it. So we're going to do the same thing for all the other links. Copy this one, paste it, and then shrink the last link as well, copy it, and then paste it. So basically what we did, we shrunk 3 links that usually redirect people to videos, but this time instead of taking the users or the viewers to your videos or whatever link you're putting, it's gonna take them through AdFly, and then you're gonna get revenue from the fact that you're redirecting people from AdFly to whatever end content you want them to check out. So once that's done, we can just go ahead and check the video, check the description to just see that it's actually doing well. And that's pretty much it. We can go back here and keep track of how our links are doing. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Also click the notification bell. We would really appreciate your support that way because it helps us grow more as of a channel. And we do upload the content daily. We do upload daily methods that we try out. So